Okay, welcome back. What we want to do is continue with CNG, that's Sitting Gills 2357 and again please remember that this number has now become this number, okay, but also allow for future changes in regards to this number, but the technology and the information still remains the same, okay, that does not change, okay, in the sense that new techniques come into play, modernization, upgrades, so you need to be aware of these changes at all times, okay. What we're going to look at is session 7, okay, factors which affect repair or replacement, okay. Let's just get you back into view so we can see where we are. Okay, I don't want that paper into play. Dropping down, okay. So I'm just making sure that everything is in view, what is relevant to be seen, okay. Excuse me, seem to be catching a cold. Okay, session 7, and here we have the relevant part. Understand the issue determining repair or replacement. Explain why relevant people need to be kept in the loop, or as it says there. Replace or repair, okay, and this will tell you what you give you a guide as to how and when that should be done. Now you read this for yourself, so you don't need me to be reading this out to you in any shape or form. Okay. Legal responsibilities, okay, and here these are your legal responsibilities. Now again, be aware of any changes in regards to this, in regards to the IE regulations, so you must be compliant with the law as it stands at that point in time, okay, and accommodate and allow for changes which will occur over time, okay. Okay, and here are some of the people that will be involved, okay, overall. I'm trying to see if I could highlight these actually, no, we'll leave that stand for now and I'll see what I can do next time round. Okay, just bear with me again now. It's important that you are familiar with this and you know that okay, and I'm pan back so that we get it in. Okay, that'll be fine. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Bye for now. Thank you. Bye bye.